Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're introducing what just might be the best odorless dog paw balm for picky pets, the Wahl USA Gentle Foaming Dog Paw Cleaner. If you've ever struggled to keep your furry friend's paws clean without the hassle of rinsing, scrubbing, and battling strong scents, then this product could be your new favorite. Let's take a closer look at what makes this paw cleaner stand out. Right away, the design is practical. It comes in an 8-ounce foaming bottle paired with a soft silicone scrubber brush, and yes, it's removable. That means easy cleaning and gentle application on your pet's sensitive paws. Whether you're coming back from a muddy hike or just a regular walk in the city, you can count on this cleaner to lift away grime without soaking your floors or your dog. What makes it even more unique is the no-rinse probiotic formula. Unlike typical paw wipes or sprays, this cleaner uses beneficial probiotics that stay active after application. These good bacteria help clean beyond the surface, tackling debris, reducing odors, and keeping paws fresh longer. That's an impressive upgrade from simple surface cleaning. The foaming action makes application simple. Just pump, scrub, and wipe. No water, no mess. The foam is light and spreads easily between the paw pads, and once wiped off, it leaves nothing behind but soft, refreshed paws. Wahl has also put a lot of care into this formula. It's pH balanced for dogs, completely free of alcohol, parabens, and PEG 80. Making it safe even if your pet happens to lick their paws after cleaning. And it's enriched with soothing ingredients like vitamin E, aloe vera, lanolin, oatmeal, and glycerin. These aren't just buzzwords. Each of these helps moisturize and calm dry or cracked paws, especially in extreme weather. And if you're worried about smell, the scent is coconut lime verbena, light, fresh, and most importantly, not overwhelming. It's ideal for dogs that are picky about fragrances. You'll notice the paws smell pleasant, not perfumed. One thing we love is how versatile it is. Whether you have a small lap dog or a big adventure buddy, this foaming cleaner works well across all sizes. It's compact enough to carry in a travel bag or keep by the door for quick post-walk cleanups. Wahl has been trusted by professionals for over 50 years, especially in grooming and veterinary care. That reputation is clearly reflected here. They've taken what works in professional settings and made it easy for everyday pet owners to use. So, who is this for? If your dog hates traditional washes or you're tired of scrubbing muddy paws in the sink, this is your answer. It's fast, effective, and gentle. Whether you're in an apartment or always on the move, the Wahl Gentle Foaming Paw Cleaner gives you salon-level care without the salon. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you're looking for a stress-free, scent-sensitive way to care for your dog's paws, the Wahl USA Gentle Foaming Dog Paw Cleaner might just be your next must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review that helps you find the perfect product. See you next time.